Ever wished your Amazon cart checkout could be as seamless as tapping your iPhone? Now it can be. Let's unlock the magic of using Apple Pay directly on Amazon, making your online shopping faster and more secure than ever. First things first, we need to connect your Apple Pay to your Amazon account. Head over to your Amazon account settings. You can usually find this by tapping on the 3 lines menu icon, then selecting your account. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you see the payment options section. Give that a tap to open up your payment methods. Now look for the option to add a payment method. You should see a clear button or option for an Apple Pay. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it to begin the integration. Your iPhone's wallet app will now pop up, allowing you to select which Apple Pay card you'd like to use for your Amazon purchases. You'll likely need to confirm with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to authorize the link. Once authorized, you'll see a confirmation on Amazon that your Apple Pay is now linked and ready to go. Super simple. Now for the best part, checkout. When you're ready to pay for your items, simply proceed to the checkout page as usual. On the payment selection screen, you'll now see Apple Pay listed as a quick payment option. This saves you from typing in card numbers every single time. Tap on the Apple Pay option, and your iPhone will again prompt you to confirm the payment using your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. It's that quick. And just like that, your order is placed. Your transaction is encrypted and secure, meaning your financial information stays protected. By linking Apple Pay to Amazon, you're not just getting a faster checkout. You're enjoying peace of mind with every secure transaction. Happy shopping!